Hello, today we are going to make this kind of app, WebRTC video chat app. This is just a preview of that app. Let's dive into it. Now let's understand what is WebRTC. WebRTC means Web Real-Time Communication. It is an open source technology that allows us web application to enable real-time audio, video and data sharing directly between browsers without needing any extra plugin or third-party softwares. So this is an open source technology called WebRTC. Its full form is Web Real-Time Communication. It allows us to peer-to-peer video and audio calls, low latency, high quality communication, secure and encrypted communication. No extra software needed, so this is the best way to make a... Hello everyone, today we are going to build a real-time video chat app using WebRTC, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There is no extra plugin required for this application. It's just a browser magic. So let's dive into it. First of all, we will see what kind of file we need to make for HTML. Our HTML file sets a basic structure. It includes two video elements, one for the local video and one for the remote video, and a start call button to initiate the WebRTC connection. Finally, we link our JavaScript file to handle the real-time communication. Then we need a CSS styling. We have added CSS to make our UI clean and modern. The video frames have a border and shadow effect. The start call button has a hover effect for a better user experience. Then in JavaScript, first we capture the user's camera and microphone using navigator.media devices.getUserMedia, and then we create a peer-to-peer connection using RTC peer connection. The local video stream is displayed immediately, and when another user joins, their video appears in the remote player. Finally, the offer is created, which would be sent to another peer through a signaling server not included in this demo. So let's make it.